FY become semester 1 subject economics. Today's our topic is price elasticity of demand and the types. First one, I explain what is the meaning of price elasticity of demand and after types of demand. The law of demand states a relationship between price of a commodity and demand for it. Other things remain constant. This means that demand for a commodity is a function of many factors besides price. I give you an example. Income of the consumer, taste and preferences, prices of related commodities, etc. They are affected to our demand. Demand would change whenever any one of these factors change. In economics, the nature of demand to change with its determination is called elasticity of demand. Law of demand states that a fall in price in Law of demand states that a fall in price is accompanied by extension of demand and vice versa. It does not tell us anything about the proportionate changes. The law of demand indicates only the direction of change in demand but not the rate of change in demand. It does not state the rate at which the demand will change as a result of change in price. The percentage changes in demand may be more or less than the percentage change in price. The price elasticity of demand is a measure of the responsiveness of demand to a change in price. In terms of equation is price elasticity of demand equal to percentage changes in demand upon percentage change in price. One economics, they are explaining price elasticity of demands definition. First one, many economists, they are give to definition of price elasticity. First of one, I am explaining one economics after other one. Lipsy, they are giving to the definition of price elasticity. The definition is price elasticity of demand is defined as the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage changes in price. Second economics, Professor Alfred Marshall, they also give to definition of price elasticity of demand. Professor Marshall introduced the concept of demand elasticity in economic theory, said that elasticity of demand in a market is great or small according as the amount demanded increase much or little for a given fall in price and diminishes much or little for a given rise in price. Stoney gave the elasticity of demand definition. Elasticity of demand is technical terms used by the economists to describe the degree of a responsiveness of demand for a commodity to a change in its determinant. They all economics, they are giving to the definition of elasticity of demand. Different methods are used to measure price elasticity of demand. Most important among them is percentage change method. Under this method, percentage change in demand is to be compared with the percentage changes in price. We are explaining that thing with the symbol or a symbolically. Elasticity, price elasticity of demand equal to percentage change in demand upon percentage change in price. In a symbolic, EP equal to delta D upon D divided by delta P upon P equal to delta D upon D into P upon delta P equal to delta D upon D into P upon delta P. We are explaining what is the meaning of EP, what is the meaning of D, what is the meaning of delta D, what is the meaning of delta P, and what is the meaning of P. In an equation, EP defined to the price elasticity of demand. Delta D, it is defined to the change in quantity demand. D defined to the original quantity demand. P defined to the original price, delta P defined to the change in price. I give you one example for explanation of their symbolically or demand. A household purchase 16 apple at the per unit price of rupees 4, but when price goes up to rupees 6, it purchases 12 units. In this case, price elasticity of demand may be assessed by delta EP equal to delta D upon D into P upon delta P. 4 upon 16 into 4 upon 2 equal to 2 by 4 upon 1 by 2. In this case, price elasticity of demand is 1 by 2, meaning thereby proportionate change in demand is 1/2 of the proportionate changes in price. Demand is said to be inelastic or less elastic because it is less than 1. If proportionate change in demand is equal to proportionate change in price, demand is said to be unitary elastic because in this case price elasticity is equal to 1. If proportionate change in demand is more than proportionate change in price, demand is said to be elastic or a more elastic because in this case price elasticity is more than 1. Percentage change method of measuring price elasticity of demand makes it clear that since price and demand are inversely related according to the law of demand, price elasticity is negative. A negative change in price is followed by a positive change in demand. Price elasticity must be negative, but economists ignore this fact. They ignore the negative sign, they use positive figure. The reason is negative sign leads to wrong conclusion. I give you an example. 5% change in price of a commodity by 10% change in demand and 5% change in price of B is followed by 20% change in demand. Demand for A is less elastic as compared to demand for B. 10 by I am explaining with figure. 10 upon 5 equal to 2 and 20 upon 5 equal to 4. But if we prefix negative sign minus 2 and minus 4, the conclusion would be that demand for A is more elastic than that of B. That's why we cannot put into this negative sign in price elasticity, explanation of price elasticity. Our second topic is types of price elasticity of demand. The degree of responsiveness of demand to change in price of a commodity is not always same. For different commodities, it is bound to be different. It is useful to classify price elasticity in terms of the degree of responsiveness of demand to price change. On the basis of percentage change method, the economics have described 5 different price elasticity of demand. The 5 elasticity of demand is: first one is elastic demand, second one is inelastic demand, third one is unitary elastic demand, fourth one is perfect elastic demand, and fifth one is perfect inelastic demand. I am explaining one by one with the figure. First one, elastic demand. ED greater than 1. When a given percentage changes in price of commodity causes more than proportionate change in demand, we have a case of elastic demand or a ED greater than 1. I give you one example for explaining elastic demand. Price fall by the 2% but demand rises by 10%. We have a case of elastic demand. In this case, downward sloping demand curve will be less steep. I explain the figure. OX means x-axis we are defined to the demand, and O-axis we are defined to the price, and we are drawing to the one straight line AB. It is a negative slope, and putting to the ED greater than 1. They are defined to the that thing कि if price of any commodity it is improved, in that time demand is decreased, and if price is any commodity it is decreased, that time demand is increased. They having to the negative effect, but demand changes is more than 2 our price changes. That's why ED greater than 1. Because of the reason our demand is maximum and our price is less comparison to demand, that's why we are putting to the ED greater than 1, and that's why we are calling as a elasticity of demand. Elastic demand, ED greater than 1. It means that percentage changes of demand is higher than 2 percentage changes of price. We are explaining that thing in the figure. Second point is our inelastic demand, ED less than 1. Demand is inelastic or ED less than 1 when a given percentage change in the price of commodity brings about less than proportionate change in demand for it. For example, 10% fall in the price of X might raise its demand by only 2%. In the case, downward slope demand curve is very steep. I explain the figure. OX or a x-axis explained by OX defined to the demand, OY defined to the price, and you are drawing to the one straight line AB, ED less than 1. They are defined to the that thing. If percentage changes of price is more than percentage changes of demand. It means कि demand is less than to our price changes, they are defined to the inelastic demand. It means कि demand changes is less comparison to demand price changes. That's why they are count as a inelastic demand or a ED less than 1. ED less than 1. Our third point is unitary elastic demand, ED equal to 1. When a given percentage change in the price of commodity bring about the same percentage change in demand, demand is unitary elastic or a ED equal to 1. It means कि our percentage changes of demand and percentage changes of price both are same. If it is a 1, the proportionate change in price and quantity demand will be equal and opposite. I give you one example. A commodity percentage fall in price will be accompanied by 5% rise in demand. The total expenditure on the commodity will remain constant. The demand curve is such a case will be a rectangular hyperbola. In that situation, unitary elastic demand, our percentage changes of demand and percentage changes of price both are same or both are equal to 1. They are defined to the unitary elastic demand. I am explaining the curve. X defined to the demand and Y defined to the price, and you are drawing or you are putting to the line as a half moon shape. Half moon shape or a rectangular hyperbola. The word is very high, that's why I am telling you okay, we are drawing to the graph as a half moon shape, and we are putting to the AB ED equal to 1. In that time our demand changes and our price changes both are same and equal to 1. If changes of price is 10%, in a same percentage changes of price in a 10 also, they are defined to the unitary elastic demand. Because of the reason both are same changes, both are defined to the same changes, and their answer will be 1. They are defined to the unitary elastic demand. Because of the reason demand and price both changes are same, so they are defined to the unitary elastic demand. Fourth one is perfect elastic demand, ED equal to infinite when n insignificant or extremely small change in price causes extraordinary large changes demand. We have the case of perfectly elastic demand. It means that if your price there are small changes in that time, a demand will be very highly changed. They are known as a perfect elastic demand, ED equal to infinity. If I give you one example, a commodity slight rise in price reduce the demand of 0 and a slight fall in price increase demand to infinity. The demand curve is such case is horizontal or to the x-axis, or it is a same to baseline. It means that our perfect elastic demand defined to that thing कि if your price is change or less change, in that time your demand will be very highly changed. They are defined to the perfect elastic demand, ED equal to 1. I am explaining graph. OX defined to the demand, OY defined to the price, and you are drawing to the straight line, but it is a similar to baseline. In that figure, we cannot define to the any change in a y axis, but we are changing to the demand side in a x axis. They are defined to the are perfectly elastic demand. Ed equal to infinitive. We are putting that thing in a figure. Ed equal to infinitive. In the time y axis, our price cannot be changed, but our demand will be changed. It is improving to a 10, 20, 30, any you are putting to the any figure in a graph. They are defined to the perfectly elastic demand. Last one is perfectly inelastic demand. Ed equal to 0. When demand for a commodity remains constant irrespective of the change in its price, we have a case of perfectly inelastic demand. The change in price fails to bring about any change in demand for the commodity. Perfectly inelastic demand, like the perfectly elastic demand, is rare to come across in real life, but both of these are useful theoretical concepts. Ed equal to 0. Demand curve of commodity is parallel to y-axis. It means in that situation, price is increase or a decrease, but in that time demand cannot be changed. They are defined to the perfectly inelastic demand. It means that your price improve or your price is decrease for any commodity. In that time, consumer cannot buying more and more things. They cannot increase the demand. They are defined to the perfectly inelastic demand. Prices improve 10 to 20 rupees or 10 to 5 rupees decreasing, but in that time consumer cannot buying more and more unit. In a law of demand, we are saying that okay, if prices any commodity is decrease, in that time demand will be improved. But in that situation, price changes is improve or a decrease, but in that time demand changes cannot be improve or cannot be decrease. They are defined to the perfectly inelastic demand. I am explaining their curve. Ox defined to the demand, Oy defined to the price, and we are putting to the one straight line similar to our y-axis or a parallel to our y-axis, and we are putting to the 2a and b. Ed equal to 0. In that time they are defined in a figure. We are defined to that thing if price is improve or a decrease, in that time a demand cannot be changed. That is known as a perfectly inelastic demand. In figure, the level of price, whatever the level of price, demand is always constant at OB. They are defined to the perfect inelastic demand. What is the meaning of price elasticity and types of price elasticity? We'll say I'm repeat it. What is the meaning of perfect elastic price elasticity of demand? Percentage changes of price and percentage changes of demand. The ratio will be defined to the price elasticity of demand. The symbolic or as a formula, price elasticity of demand equal to percentage change in demand upon percentage change in price. There are 5 types: elastic demand, ED greater than 1; second, inelastic demand, ED less than 1; third, unitary elastic demand, ED equal to 1; fourth, perfect elastic demand, ED equal to infinity; and last one is perfect inelastic demand, ED equal to 0.